Hi guys, mabuhay! It's me, Nini Wonder, and James, ayan, Carnage. So, Carnage. Yeah, actually, so, I'm happy na na-invite ko siya today to be a part of my, what we call daw, Kalandian Lyceum. You know Kalandian?
No.
Yeah, it's something like, enjoy Lyceum.
Ah, yeah.
You should try this one, the kiwi. Kiwi?
What do you guys call this? Because we call it lychee in Australia.
Is it like this one?
Is this lychee? No.
It's
not the same.
rambutan.
How do you open it?
You need to cut.
It's the same
With
as
my-
lychee.
You know what? My nails is very dirty because I repaint my motorbike, the other motorbike yesterday.
Alright.
So it's okay. Hi guys, look at this inside, oh, diba? It's like,
Oh, nice.
Diba? Cheers for the view.
Cheers. Is there any seeds inside? There's no seeds, right?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
a seed.
Ah.
Oh, don't eat like you need to
No,
peel because
I'm just doing it.
there is a peanut inside. I don't know what we call
Yeah, but
this.
sometimes the other eating with the what is that? Ano pa ni? The seeds.
Mm.
So pag-usapan natin, let's talk about the how old are you by the way? 31. So 31 siya. Ako na sasagot.
No. 21.
21 ka pa. So,
Sarap.
21 siya all the way from Australia. 10 years na siya dito. So, within 10 years, you stay in Manila.
Yeah, so I lived in Manila for 10 years.
In Makati, but you see where? Quezon City?
Mandaluyong.
Ay, Mandaluyong.
On the inside.
Okay, not outside.
Not the outside, the inside.
You know that word,
Yeah,
ah?
yeah.
You know that word. So, yeah, 10 years you work as a model.
Yeah, so I came here, at first I got invited because I did the pageant. You know, Mr. International.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Alright.
I heard that.
So-
Even if I'm from here, I'm updated in social
Yeah,
media.
okay. Well, 2016 I did the pageant and I made a lot of friends.
You won or no?
No, I didn't win.
Why?
I won the hearts of the Filipino instead. I won Mr. Congeniality.
Okay.
Yeah, that's even better than winning, right?
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and I got invited to come work in the Philippines for 3 months. I came for 3 months, I ended up staying for 10 years, so yeah.
So until now, you're still working freelance or something?
Nope, I left Manila and I want to enjoy the beauty of the Philippines.
So means
Yeah.
you have a lot of budget to stay here in Siargao even you have no work.
Not so much.
Do
That's
you
why
have-
That's
do you
why you
have
gotta teach
OnlyFans?
me how to do social media.
You have OnlyFans?
No, I do not.
Guys, nasa link.
50% discount code. Joke.
You can in the comment section nandyan yung link.
Oh,
Ay!
wala.
We're kidding. So ayan, nakakatuwa naman no. It's like, you know, you all the way from, but your family, like,
No family. I came here all by myself.
no, I mean like within 10 years you invite to come to the Philippines? Your
Yeah,
family?
I brought them. My mom and dad came and we went to Boracay.
Only Boracay, no? Bakit always Boracay?
Okay.
Accessible?
Yeah, it's very accessible.
And then,
Siargao's a bit harder because flights and stuff like that. Yeah, just my parents though.
Oh,
My
bak-
siblings no.
okay, bakit wala kang jowa?
Jowa?
Yeah.
Do I have Jowa?
Why you don't have jowa?
Wala Jowa.
Yeah.
I'm not pretty enough. Is my heart too broken? No, I did have a Filipino girlfriend 3 years ago.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then,
And then I am not have a Filipino girlfriend anymore, so single, yay!
why? Single, it's your choice, right?
Yeah. I think next girlfriend is not gonna be girlfriend. It's gonna be wife.
Okay.
No more girlfriend, only wife.
Nakita man kita kasi sa movie na Blurred.
Blood, what?
Nakita kita sa
No
palabas.
blood! You didn't cheat again, huh?
Interview time na to
I
dito
see it
pala.
you're in the one video like it's blurred.
Oh, with the cloud, yeah.
Hindi na auto play ha. Buwang-buwang
Give me
ka.
Because it's like a bit of an angle there.
You hiding something, I hiding too.
Alright. No, all you need is this one. Just small.
Okay.
Commercial.
You're so buang.
So that's it. Panoorin nyo ang buong video.
Uh,
Everyone.
So yeah guys, so